Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video. My name is our Gmam Isioto, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an ebook in 10 minutes using your smartphone. Now, why am I making this video? A lot of people have asked me, our Gmam, how do you create an ebook? How do you create a digital product? How do you do it online? You say you do stuffs online. How do you do it? So if you're watching this video right now, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create an ebook in 10 minutes. It doesn't take us up to 10 minutes. Okay, so if you are watching this video for the first time, I need you to subscribe to my channel. If you like what you're learning, I want you to subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification button so that when I drop new videos, you can get notified. Okay, so what is the process for making an ebook? How do you create an ebook? What's the process? The first thing you have to do before you create an ebook is to do your research. Okay, you need to do your research to find out what is the problem you want to solve. You're not just creating an ebook, you're not just creating articles that people will read. No, you're creating a solution, you're turning it into something people can read and take action, and it produces results for them. That is why you're creating your ebook, not just an article. Okay, so you really have to do your research. I've always stressed this in any of my trainings. When I tell you about digital products, I always tell you that you need to do your research. Research will help you to find out what is the actual problem that people are facing that you want to solve. Research will help you to know who are the people you should be doing your product for. Research will help you to know where are they located, how do you target them, how do you give them your products. Are you going to be making a video for them? Are you going to make an ebook? Are you going to do a course for them? Are you going to make an audio file for them? Research will help you to know that. Then the next step in the process is to create your article. Okay, so let's say for instance you have you want to teach people how they can bake, right? Or maybe let's not use baking. You want to teach people how they can lose weight in 10 days. I don't know if that's possible, but for instance, you want to teach people how they can lose weight without going to the gym, without stressing themselves at the gym, without killing themselves over the matter. Let's say you know about that. You're going to create an article. Okay, all of the things you're going to put it in writings. You're going to put it in writings. Either you type it on Microsoft Word or you type it on Google Docs. Yes, Google Docs is an app that helps you to type stuffs online. Okay, so you're going to type it on Microsoft or you type it on Google Docs. Okay, put all of the article together just like you're creating a book. Okay, so once you put all that article in together, you save it. If you're using Google Docs, you save it. If you're using Google Docs or you're using Microsoft Word, you save it as a PDF file, not just as a document. You save it as a PDF file. When you save it as a PDF file, which is a third process, the next thing you will do is to upload it to Google Drive. If you're using Gmail, which you should be using, if you're using Gmail, you should have Google Drive. Okay, so you upload it to your Google Drive, and once it is uploaded on Google Drive, it becomes a shareable file. It becomes something you can share to people. That is the file you will share to people and they will be reading on their smartphone. Okay, so that's how it works. Then the fifth stage is that once you share it, you create a link. And when you create that link, you make it accessible to people. Okay, you make it accessible, because if you don't make it accessible, people cannot read it on your Google Drive because you own the Google Drive. Okay, so if you have an article you want to turn into an ebook, I need you to comment below. If you're enjoying and you're getting value from this, I need you to comment below. All right, so quickly I'll take you into my screen. I'll take you into my phone, so I'll show you exactly how I create an ebook in just a few minutes. Okay, so follow me, guys. Okay guys, welcome back. Like I told you before, I said we were going to quickly create our ebook in 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to assume that we already have our article together. Okay, so I'll quickly go to my notepad and just pick one of the shortest articles so we can turn it into an ebook, so you can see how I create an ebook, how you can do yours. Okay, so quickly I'll go to my notepad right now and I'll pick one of the articles that I have. This article is about fastest way to make money in the space of 30 days. Let's say I want to teach people how they can make money in 30 days. Okay, so this is just a very short article, so I'm going to copy this right now and go and paste it in Google Docs. Okay, remember I told you you can type your article in with Google Docs, or you can do it on Microsoft Word. Whichever one is simple for you, whichever one is easy for you, you can use that. But for me, I use Google Docs, okay, because it's easier, it's faster for me. So I'm going to copy this right now, so follow me. So once I'm done, I'm done copying it right now. I'll take that document that I copied and go to Google Docs. Okay, you can see Docs on the screen. If you don't have it, you can download it as an app on your phone. You can download it from Google Play Store. All right, so I'll hit the Docs right now. This is my documents app. So I'll hit the plus on the extreme right below. Okay, plus. I'll hit new document. As I hit new document, I'll paste that document here. Okay, I'll paste that document here and I'll title it. Okay, remember that when you're doing your article, your ebook, you need to make sure that it looks very good. Okay, take your time to create a very good job for people. Okay, so let me title this right now: fastest way to make money in 30 days or less. Okay, that is the title of our book. Just making just an example. Okay, so that's that. Uncentralize it. Okay, yes. Now you can feel free, take your time to play with the wordings and everything you want to create. Take your time to make your ebook to look very nice, because when it looks nice, the first thing they see when it looks nice is going to make people want more from you. Okay, so let me change this right now, change it to red. Okay, change it. You can even add pictures. Okay, you can add pictures to your ebook. Okay, if you want to add pictures right now, you hit the plus on top of it. I hit the plus and it takes me to this part where I'm going to select my image, okay, from my photos. Okay, I'm going to select an image. So let me just say I quickly select this one. Okay, all right, quickly select an image. So this is an image, a very simple image I will be working with. Okay, so let's say this is our image for our ebook. All right, this is what they will see when they enter into the ebook. All right, so let's quickly save this right now. So I go to these three dots. The three dots are the extreme right on top. I click on it and it shows me this. All right, so I'll go to share and export. Once I go to share and export, I will click on save as. Don't forget save as. Okay, when I click on save as, it will give me the options for me to save. For me, I want to save it as PDF document. That is how you're going to save it. Okay, save it as a PDF document. So I'll click on PDF and say okay. All right, we have our ebook already set for download. Okay, our ebook is already set. Okay, so you can decide to leave it whatever way you want, but already our ebook is already set. Okay, so you can see the ebook is already there as an untitled document. Okay, so quickly you're going to title the document. Why are we titling the document? Why are we putting a title? So that you can be able to find it. Okay, so quickly let me title it. So the three dots that you see there, you're going to hit it. Once you hit it, you scroll down, you see what? Rename. So what am I going to name it as? Fastest way to make money in 30 days or less. Click on rename. Okay, can you see it has renamed it for us? Now, one of the principles I want to let you know is when you're creating your ebook, you need to give it a very powerful title. What did I say? Let me repeat that again. If you're creating your ebook, you need to give it a very, very powerful title that can attract attention. Okay, title that can make people to want it as quick as possible. Okay, so you need to learn how to create titles for your book. Okay, so if you're enjoying this tutorial right now, if you're getting value from this, I want you to subscribe to this video, like this video, ask me question. If you have any challenge whatsoever, just type it in the comment section and say I have a challenge in so. Okay, and I'll respond to you. Right now, when you're done with titling your ebook, what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to upload it on Google Drive. Okay, is to upload. We haven't even downloaded the file yet. We haven't downloaded it. Alright, so I will download the file. I'll click on download. Alright, it's downloading. You can see it. Our file is already downloaded. Okay, so once it is downloaded right now, I will go to my Google Drive. Okay, I'll go to my Google Drive. If you don't have Google Drive on your phone, you can download it from Google Play Store. Alright, so I'll hit Google Drive and I will upload the folder. So I'll hit plus again. And I'll hit upload. Can you see it? Fastest way to make money. Okay, so I'll hit the documents and it's already uploading. You can see it on the top, uploading already. Alright, so it's already uploaded. You can see it's already uploaded. So let's search for our file. Fastest. You can see it already there. Alright, fastest. Can you see it? Our file is ready for us to share. Alright, this is just a one-page PDF. Okay, so quickly what I'm going to do, remember I told you that you need to create a link. That link is what you need to be sharing to people. Okay, so hit these three dots on the top. Alright, so you make the link. Sorry, you're going to make manage people and links. That's where you click manage people and link. Who has access to the folder? You're going to change it from this restricted to something else. You change it from restricted to anyone with the link, so that when you share the link to people, they can easily access it without you being there. Okay, can you see? It's updating. Alright, it's done. So what you're going to do, you're going to hit this stuff that look like a chain on top of it. That is the link. So you click on it. Okay, you click on that. So you already have your link to your documents. Okay, so if I want to test this link right now, I'll just go to my Google Chrome. I'll go to my Google Chrome and I'll type it into the search bar. Okay, I'll paste it into the search bar. All right, let me paste it there. I'll paste it. Okay, once I click it, boom, we have our ebook already. Guys, we have our ebook already. So this is a very simple way to create your ebook. You can see what we just created right now. So this is how to create your ebook. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, if you like what you just learned, if you've learned anything from this, I want you guys to like this video, comment, subscribe to this video, and please share to your friends. Okay, share to your friends, let them know that we're doing stuff here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Take care.